Okay, so here is the Acme products page, and that is exactly how it's accessed. If we go to add a new category, that will take us directly there. I guess it should have gone here, so let's try that again. I have it in two places. Add a new category there, and then we have add a new product there. So the insertion of add a new category, we will go with cats. Add a new category name. Thank you for registering cats. And then we're not going to do anything. And please provide the empty form fields. So now we will go to add a new product. And we'll do cat collar. And let's pause it. All right, so this is completely filled out to add a new product. And we'll click on that. Thank you for registering the cat collar. We'll do this. We'll leave stuff blank. And please provide empty form fields. All right, the validator for HTML comes up with green. And the validator for the CSS, I get this error, but that is something beyond my control. We're at a new category page. We get a green for the HTML. And once again, the one error that we keep getting with the CSS. For the product page, here's the validation for the HTML and the validation for the CSS. Thank you.